Has anybody missed Mr. Turtle? Or Miss Turtle? I don't know. I'm still gonna call you Mr. Turtle. Look at him sunbathing.
Get your neck extended out really far.
You know you're not camouflage, right? Hey, what's up?
Woo! Yo, 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 it is Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and oh my god, thank you so much again for tuning into this channel, this video actually. Hit that thumbs like, right? Thumbs like, hit that like button. Oh my god, you know what other people like to say? Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. So I'm gonna copy that, okay? Smash that like button. Hit that bell so you get that notification whenever I drop a new banger. And don't forget to subscribe. My God, okay. Something's not right. I like things dirty and black. Okay, now, I have this older cloth. This is the one that I've been using, okay? I am going to swap this out and hopefully get my black t-shirt back. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, I might need to use Rejuvenator to clean my clothes later. Make sure you have a dry, clean microfiber cloth. Oh, okay, yeah. Costco, I don't even know why I bought this huge pack. I'm like, you know what? My other cloths, they're so small, right? I'm like, you know what? This is perfect, right? And then I realized, like, I never even used this because for some reason, I just don't like to get it dirty. That's better. I'm gonna use my old cloths because I've been using these for every single day and it gets the job done, whatever. You're gonna need Rejuvenator, your toothbrush, a very stiff floor tile brush. No, for real. I'm gonna be using the 3 Rejuvenator brushes. Stiff, horse HIT hair, and medium bristles. And definitely for the Rejuvenator or Jason Mark, whatever brand you're using, that you need to mix it with water because the solution is very concentrated. Just make sure you don't drink this accidentally like me. You can use anything you want. Put water in there and start mixing the solution. Cheers. But no, I'm gonna use this bowl. There's already water in there. I'm gonna put this aside just to be safe because I tend to make a lot of mistakes. The shoe that we're cleaning today, this is one of my client's pairs. This is like one of his beater shoes. Oh my God, it's so dirty. I'm not gonna touch the bottom. If you need to wear gloves, make sure you wear gloves. This is the Travis Scott's whatever collab you can see. Right, this is how the shoe looks like. I'm not gonna clean the bottom. This is just a basic upper clean, right? The laces are a little bit dirty, some black stains here and there. But this is just mainly focusing on the exterior now. Make sure you get a shoe tree, all right? I'm gonna use Rejuvenator's shoe tree just because my other cheaper ones, they're not here, they're at work. Oh my God, now I gotta readjust this again because there's no size indicators in the shoe tree. Look at this. Okay, that took me 10 minutes to figure this out. Rejuvenator, come on. Make your shoe trees better. Oh, okay. Grab your solution and start. I guess Rejuvenator likes to say, "Hey, do 2 squirts," right? Sounds a little wrong. Put that aside for now. Have a look at this particular shoe. All right. If you want to look at your shoes, the one that you're cleaning, go ahead. I want to give you guys a 360. By the way, there are some damages on the shoe already that me and my client, we kind of went over and then they signed the paperwork. Like, you know what? Yes, if Leon cleans the shoes, he is not liable for any extra damages. Now, the reason why I say this is like, if you have your own business, you got to make sure you protect yourself, right? So that is why we do visual inspections. Oh, here's the other black mark that you guys didn't see, the black mark on the laces. That's why you got to protect yourself. Because if you don't, oh my God, people are going to start blaming you for damages. Look at the front. This is how dirty it is. Now, he told me that the midsoles, they are yellow because I think the original paint is wearing off. I don't know. He said it's supposed to be yellow to begin with. Grab this. I'm going to start with I'm actually going to be only using the soft hair, horse hair, and the medium bristle brush. All right, what am I doing? Okay, let go, guys. I'm not going to be using the stiff bristle brush today. I have 2 because I do have a few of these, and you know, they are wearing out, they are wearing down, but they're still effective, to be honest with you. These are really good quality. So move this or put this medium aside. Put your toothbrush aside for later. This, oh my God, put that definitely aside. Let's start twirling the solution. Okay, get that foam. All right, and shake off a little bit, right? Quick check. This feels like some kind of nubuck, durabuck material, like the toe there. And then this kind of light baby blue. I don't even know if that's baby blue color, but I don't see any suede. This is kind of like that weird, I don't even want to know, carpet, whatever. All right, I'm gonna test a small area. Remember, this shoe is not suede, so I don't even think this test is gonna do anything. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, cool. Yeah, it seems okay. How can you tell if the color is coming off from the shoes, like the dye, if it's suede material? Check your brush, look at the solution. If you start seeing that, hey, the solution was kind of clear before and then it's got a little bit of color, most likely it's coming from the shoe. Actually, it is coming from the shoe. And just be careful, right? But we're not cleaning a shoe that has suede for at least this particular tutorial, so we're not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna clean the entire upper of this, and do the left side. We're gonna cut all of this out, and of course I'm gonna leave the laces on here. So remember, when you're cleaning the shoes, if you want to wear gloves, go ahead and wear gloves. I don't have good quality gloves just because I'm cheap. Okay, this shoe is looking very bubbly, like a sexy car wash. Careful with, I'm not going to be cleaning the inside. This is not part of the package. He does know that some of the words, the jackass, whoops, no, Travis Scott, Cactus Jack, they are coming off, the letters there. So if I told him like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna be careful, but if it does come out or if it gets worse, starts coming out more, it is not my fault. He's okay with that, he better be. He signed the paperwork. All right, this is too early to clean shoes, to be honest with you. One thing I have to point out is, I know that this shoe, this particular material, or if you have Air Jordan 1s, the off-whites, they use that double layer mesh material. It's really bad, to be honest with you. Once it stains inside that under layer, it's really difficult to get it clean unless you throw this in a laundry for a wash, like a deep clean, which I'm not gonna be doing. There's no point doing that, right? Why am I going to be doing more work, right, when they didn't pay for it? So too bad, right? All right, soapy. It is extremely soapy, and yes, this is too early for me to clean. I just want to go back to sleep. I think I'm doing way too much. This shoe is soaked. All right, but yeah, I am targeting mainly on this weird mesh material because it's very dirty, and of course I'm targeting the laces and the lace loops because those get stained really easily as well. All right, I'm gonna dry this off and not use my nice fancy Kirkland yellow microfiber. I don't even think I'm ever gonna use it. I hope you're catching up. If you're faster than me, that's good. This is not a race, remember? We're not having a cleaning battle here, right? We're just cleaning the shoes. If you're like, I'm already done cleaning my shoes, right? Then something's not right. Either your shoe is not dirty, or you're just too lazy, or you're going over the shoe way too quickly and you're not bothering at actually cleaning the shoe. I gotta admit, I tried watching my first couple shoe reviews. I can't even watch it. They're boring. That's not even me. What was I thinking? Can you guys even see the, oh, okay, yeah, all right, cool, yeah. Oh man, what am I doing? I was trying to show you guys the color of the water. Obviously, it's not going to be clear, right? Cactus Jack, any of his orange stuff coming out? Oh yeah, I think this one, it's already missing one. Here's proof. I already showed it to him. That one, that little orange, ding, it's already missing. There's supposed to be, here you go. You see that? There's supposed to be 3, but there's only 2 on that side. He knows about it. It's not me. Didn't do any damage. This lace lock, is this even the lace lock? What the? It's got Air Max, the Air Max logo. Okay, this lace lock. Okay. If you guys are like, hey, I'm still waiting for you to finish your shoes, Leon, why are you so slow? Hey, guess what? Everybody has different shoes. Unless you have the exact same pair with the exact same dirt. What is going on here? Like, well, did I even pat the other one dry? I don't know. let's just pat it dry anyways. Make sure after you're done cleaning a particular section of the shoe, make sure you pat it dry right away. Actually, I watched Jason Mark's tutorial of like how to clean the suede shoes, right? Expensive pair of suede shoes. And then of course the editing was amazing. You got the slow motion of like, you know, like of them doing this, and then like slow motion close-up shot of like the shoe, and like just like it's so satisfying, right? I'm not gonna do that. That's not what I do. This is just dirt. What? Dirt? No, this is just I should wipe the table because I poured a lot of the solution on the table. This is just raw video, right? I know that there are other cool guys out there, YouTubers, that definitely like to spend time editing their videos or cool camera work and stuff like that. I'm not hating on it. I'm actually jealous. I can't wait to do that. My editing is very straightforward. There's no music, right? So I said it in my first tutorial. I need to make random sounds. Ba 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 ba. Oh man, I just McDonald's is gonna ban this video and be like, you just infringed our ba 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 ba. We don't even need this. My God, toothbrush, what's the point? If you want to clean your bottoms, you can definitely use a toothbrush, but that's not going to do anything. Because you need to use a stiffer brush. Okay, I was dipping this again. What am I doing? No, we're moving on. Where's my medium bristle brush? If Rejuvenator can color code every brush, actually they do. The new medium one is white. Okay, I'm going to dip the medium brush. The medium Brussels sprouts. I'm going to gently go for the second round on the shoe, the upper and the midsoles. Okay, make sure you hit both. You gotta be very careful, right? Rejuvenator's larger brushes now, like this size is perfect for cleaning the insides, right? But if you make the brush so big, how am I gonna fit the brush in there? Cleaning the insides, right? Like, come on. And sometimes I prefer a smaller brush just because you have more control. This lace lock is in the way. See me cleaning the air bubble? Why? Don't know. I can actually hand detail that myself. Oh great, I think I see my customer's Asian strand of hair on the shoe. For the second round, I always like to use a fresh new bowl, waste more of my solution. This shoe has just been soft bristled and medium bristled. Oh my God, patted dry of course. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna remove the laces, start cleaning the tongue. Okay, the laces, I'm gonna clean that later. I'm gonna put the shoe aside. Yeah, just dump that set of shoelace in the bowl for like 10-15 minutes and then wring it out when you're done. And then of course you may need, where's that toothbrush? And that's probably when you need to use the toothbrush. But yeah, thank God for shoes that are, woo, they're not white color. If they're black, I like cleaning shoes that are black because I don't even clean it. Jokes, come on, you gotta know by now that's a joke. That was a joke. I always clean the shoes, regardless of the color, right? Respect all colors. I'm gonna let these shoes dry. Probably needs to take like half a day. Most likely I'm gonna clean these tomorrow. So yeah, once they're dry, including the laces, I'm going to hit the shoe another round of my awesome hand detailing, which is basically repeating the procedure all over again. Using this, then this midsole. It doesn't look very yellowy right now, thank God. I hope I'm not rubbing off the paint, but that's kind of weird. He told me that it's supposed to be yellow. Maybe I heard it wrong, but look, the shoe is no longer as yellow as it was. What else can I say? I'm gonna wrap this video up after I do the second round of cleaning, which I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do that off camera. Save you guys the trouble, save you guys the headache of watching this video. No need for toe crease reduction fix on this material, right? Especially there's plastic there that's heated on anyways. Like that may actually damage it if you use the hot iron method. I'm just gonna make sure I stuff the toes, keep that shape as the shoe dries each time you're cleaning it. That actually helps, believe it or not, because you know, people don't like toe crease. And when that's all good to go, Travis Scott is going to be somewhat happy because I'm gonna take a very nice after photo. You're gonna see it at the end of this. You know what, just show you right now. Oh my God, here we go. Check it out, that is the before photo, all right, you like that? And that is the after I actually clean the shoe completely. I don't feel like cleaning the laces anyways. Let's hit the deleted scenes. What's the point of cleaning laces like this? I mean, come on. Just buy a new set of laces, not that expensive. Oh yes, of course, because it's a Travis Scott shoe. That's why the shoelaces are expensive, right? Okay. All right, new day. Travis Scott is finally dry. 360 around. I think the shoe is looking pretty fresh. I'm still touching the bottoms as I'm spinning this. I was a little silly, you know, I was washing all my cloths, my laundry, and then I totally forgot to put this together in the laundry, in a net, of course. I have to hand clean them. I think it's meant to be for me to forget things sometimes. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Here comes Travis Scott. Bam, slide this in front. This is the Angelus Suede Renew. It's a spray, okay? Don't spray this under your armpits. This toe cap here, some of the eye stays, I think that's what you call it, eye stays, sure. I think they're like new buck. Another unboxing. This is a super long video deleted scenes segment. Check this out. For y'all that are like, wow, it's taken you how many years to get a freaking tripod? I'm proving one of my subscribers wrong. When are you going to get a tripod? Time to unbox? No, heck no. I'm not gonna do an unboxing because I want to keep that fresh in the box. Why do I have random like black t-shirts everywhere? Check this out, ba-boom. I had this clamped between my legs the entire time while filming. It is heavy. I needed to get this out. Some of y'all's, if you do like, you know, singing, podcasts, whatever, you should know this brand. This is the Yeti, I don't even know if this is the blue mic. Yeah, this is the blue mic. Oh my God, I bought this on sale, like probably 4 or 5 years ago, believe it or not. But I put it back in the box because I'm like, something's not right, it's not working. You know, oh my God, I don't want, anyways, yeah, like, you guys are like, dude, get a better mic. I know. I realize I actually do have random, decent, quality equipment lying around. And I just don't use it. I need to start using it. You know, just fix up the audio, my goodness. Fix up the quality. Just fix up the presentation. But you know me. I like to do things a little slower. Okay. Did I just literally miss my clap? Yo, hope you guys enjoyed the little intro. I totally forgot about Mr. Turtle the last few days. I guess it was rainy, the weather wasn't very nice. I'm over acting right now, sorry. But yeah, like I just spotted him outside before I started filming this. But yeah, Mr. Turtle, oh my God, I missed him. If you guys want to see more of Mr. Turtle, like in my videos or whatever, or maybe, you know, he should start having his own vlog. Let me know, you know, just add that comment with we want to see Mr. Turtle, and then use the turtle icon emoji, whatever it is. Anyways,